In this video, I will show you how to use game capture in OBS Studio. First, you want to open the game you would like to record. After that, go back to the OBS Studio. If you would like to have the game audio recorded as well, make sure to toggle on the desktop audio on. If you're doing voice recordings over the game, you will want to toggle on the mic option. After those are set, you will want to add a new source by clicking on this plus icon here. Go ahead and select Game Capture. A new menu will pop up. Name it whatever you like and select OK. In this section, scroll down a little and you can opt to uncheck Capture Cursor to not record your mouse pointer. In this example, I will leave it checked to record the mouse pointer. After that, you will want to click on the Mode option. There are three options here. The best option is Capture Specific Window, as it will not record any other applications running in your background, such as Discord notifications or random pop-ups. Once that is selected, a new window will pop up, giving you the option to select the window you want to record. If you have the game opened, your game will show up here. Once that is done, click OK. To make sure the entire screen of the game is recorded, right-click on your newly made game capture and select the Transform option, then choose Fit to Screen. Alternatively, press Ctrl and F together, and it will do the same. Now, you can press Start Recording, and it will capture the game recording.